The core of future development and innovation begins with the constant progress in smart technology. We are a solution-oriented enterprise with the necessary technical capabilities and production facilities essential for advanced industries. Since 1996, ESE Corporation has been continuously growing. We are at the forefront of screen printer technology, which is vital for the semiconductor and SMT sectors. We are dedicated to delivering advanced screen printers to a wide range of industries, taking on the role of innovators in equipping these sectors with technology. Drawing on innovative technology and extensive manufacturing experience, ESE serves a wide array of industries, from semiconductors and automotive transport to mobile devices, household electronics, LEDs, aerospace, defense communications, and networking. We provide top-of-the-line screen printers to our global clientele in these sectors. The ESE2 and ESE2 Plus models are the cornerstone of ESE Screen printers, embodying standard printers that offer both affordability and durability. These were developed in response to the requirements of PCB board manufacturing, incorporating tables and high-precision ball screws that bolster both performance and dependability. These printers enhance production with their rapid cycle times, facilitating the creation of superior quality products. The US LX1, LX3, LX5 models are designed to accommodate large-size boards, offering exceptional support for extra-large PCBs exceeding 1000 mm. Therefore, they deliver robust performance. Thanks to X-direction squeegee printing, the LX models are capable of realizing excellent operational performance. The ESH1 and ESH2 screen printers are designed for high-speed and high-precision operations. The ESH1 model features surface alignment and dual lanes, boosting production efficiency. The ESH2 model incorporates a high-precision servo motor, yielding enhanced production rates, superior product quality, and enhanced accuracy. These models are engineered to maximize production capabilities. Our blade squeegee utilizes ESE's unique patented technology to improve the solder printing process in screen printers. This innovation integrates the mixing feature with patented techniques to deliver optimal print quality, performance, and efficiency. The ESBP model is a high-performance printer designed for flip chip applications, capable of simultaneously printing up to 60 flip chips. Its compact equipment footprint and efficient conveyor system are engineered to optimize the production environment and significantly enhance productivity. The ESFA1 model represents a fully automated screen printer that features automatic exchange capabilities for stencils and backup blocks, ensuring efficient and fast-paced production support. It accommodates stencils up to 650 by 550 mm and is versatile enough to handle a wide range of PCB sizes. R&D affiliated research institute is at the forefront of developing core technologies for various advanced industrial sectors. Through relentless innovation and the spirit of challenge, we proactively address the evolving needs of future industries with our superior screen printer technology. ESE has secured a multitude of patents and garnered numerous awards as a testament of our ongoing commitment to innovation and excellence. As a pioneer in future industries, ESE is committed to integrity and principles, striving to grow alongside our clients. In pursuit of this management philosophy, we rely on systematic business processes to deliver screen printers of the highest technology and quality, thereby establishing trust and strong relationship with our customers. Driven by innovation and challenge, we have made a significant leap into the global corporate sphere, pioneering new paths in the global market and establishing deep trust with leading global companies. Presently, we are advancing as a world-class entity in the forefront of screen printer industry for cutting-edge sectors. Fueled by fiery passion and unwavering dedication, We refuse to be content with the status quo, continuously striving to innovate for a better tomorrow. We stand out as a global screen printer specialist with unparalleled technological strength. ESE Corporation.